Well, my name is Michael Hathaway, and on August 11th, I will be presenting a workshop at 4 o'clock in the afternoon at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. And the idea of that workshop is your sole purpose, finding it and identifying it, and how to help yourself and others find a meaningful life direction, something that many people are experiencing right now through the past couple of years of the pandemic. And people are listening to their heart, and they're often confused as to what direction to go in. And this goal is to help you find that pattern and to use imagery and hypnosis to put it together for not only yourself, but for all the others that you work with. And I'm sure you have many coming to you right now looking for that direction. 4 o'clock. Look forward to seeing you there.